Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can book your driving test online for Victoria, Australia. In order to do so, here we are at vicroads.vic.gov.au, and we are in the section here that says I want to, and then from here, we want to book an appointment for licenses and registrations. So then from here, we are on this page, and if you scroll down, you will find sections here to book a learner permit test or to book your probationary license test. Go ahead and begin that process. You will likely need to create an account or log into your existing account. From there, you can select the type of driving test, choose a test center, and select a date and time that is available. Be prepared to provide personal details and your learner's permit or driver's license number. Payment is usually required at the time of the booking. Confirm your booking and keep your booking confirmation. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our Linktree. There you will find information on our upcoming webinars, as well as links to our top AI tool recommendations. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.